Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and this is our first look at the HP Omen X laptop. Now the Omen X laptop is everything you need from a top-of-the-line gaming laptop in a very handsome looking package. It has the Intel Core i7-7820HK gaming mobile CPU, making it among the few gaming laptops available today offering overclockable CPU. A GTX 1080 GPU with 8GB GDDR5X VRAM, G-Sync display, RGB lighting, mechanical keyboard, and looks to give any other laptop a run for their money. Even the base variant of this laptop has a 120Hz refresh rate display. For the Omen X laptop, HP has kept the design similar to the recently revised Omen 17 laptop. It is a good design with angular sides and sharp edges, which gives the machine a gamer-oriented look. That said, the biggest crowd puller would be the new integrated RGB lighting on the chassis, which looks really cool, and yes, it is customizable. HP has moved most of the ports to the back. So at the back you have an Ethernet port, two USB 3.1 Type-C ports, a mini display port, HDMI out, and one USB port. On the left you have the SD card reader, one USB port, and the power socket. On the right we have the Kensington lock, one USB port, and separate headphones and mic ports. All the USB ports are USB 3. The gaming performance of the laptop seems quite good. We played The Witcher 3 at maximum settings on the machine. It offered smooth frame rates and great textures, which is basically what you want from an expensive gaming laptop. I will reserve my final verdict of the laptop for the review, but from the little time I spent with it, it looks quite promising. One of the key differentiating factors this laptop has is the mechanical keyboard developed by HP. The keyboard has a 2.5mm travel, which should be good for gaming and for typing alike. There are independent macro keys as well in case you want them. The laptop also comes with pre-programmed RGB lighting and full-sized keyboard. Even though the laptop is exciting, we know that with a starting price of 2,10,990 rupees, not everyone would be running to buy it. But considering the competition, this is a very competitively priced laptop. To put things into perspective, the MSI GT73 VR costs about 3.25 lakh rupees. If HP markets this right, we think the company has a winner in its hands. But whether the product is successful is something only time will tell. Stay tuned to Digit.in for our final review. Thanks for watching, and for more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our channel.